Hi guys, Arvind back again with one more new video. So today's topic is a lot of people, including me, uh, once upon a time I said I don't have time to for a fitness. I don't have time to weigh my food. I don't have time to do workout. I don't have time actually. Okay, so let me explain you the small example. So how you can make out time for yourself and how you can take time for your fitness goal. So just say example. So I'll tell you my experience. So back in 2012, so all the IT companies, we used to work for 8 hours. Okay, so most of the companies, they changed their timing to 9.5 hours. Even it happened recently as well. So just imagine you are in that situation. So you're supposed to go 8 hours office, but all of a sudden you have to go 9.5 hours to office. That means 1.5 hour more you have to spend in office. Do you say I don't have time? Just think about it. Initially, yes, you may feel hard, but what you do, you adjust your overall day schedule according to your new timings. You'll never complain, go to your company and say I will not work 9.5 hours. They'll say thank you, so you can look for some other opportunity. This is a company policy. So what is being changed here? You are able to adopt from 8 hours to 9.5 hours. That means 1.5 hour more you are able to adopt. It's mainly because of your importance, and you are able to set the priority, because you know that if you don't go for a job, you will not get the money. That means indirectly it will impact your overall lifestyle. So there are only two important things is required. How important is that to you, and are you setting a priority for that? So now it comes to fitness. So first, why fitness is not important to you? Because you are right now comfortable. Everything is fine, and you're not even thinking anything. But if you don't fix right now, it may lead to a lot of lifestyle disorders. So that will indirectly impact you, either maybe in 10 years to 15 years and 20 years. That you need to realize now. If you don't realize that now, instead of giving a time for now for fitness, you have to give a time for your fixing up all that lifestyle disorders and your medicines, going to the hospitals, and all these things you need to spend. So think about it. And also how you can take out, can't you take out 30 minutes? You can take out. Just imagine in your life where you wanted to watch your favorite show. Irrespective of your day schedule, you still take out a time. Even I was like that. For example, I have an important India-Pakistan match or any cricket match. I take out a time irrespective of what was my schedule. So this is all about the priorities. The same thing happens to fitness. So you need to understand why fitness is important to you, and you need to know how to set a priority. If you do these two things, you will find out a time. So no one can find out a time for you. No one in the world, or any coach, or any person cannot take out time for you. So you will know what is your importance. You need to find out how important is that for you, and how and see, based on your priorities, you can take out a time, 15 minutes or 30 minutes. You can take out a time for anything. There is no activity, or there is no thing can stop you to take out time. It's all about how importance you're giving, and it's all about how you're prioritizing your work. So that's all, guys. What I wanted to say in this video is, think about it. If you don't take a time now, you have to give time later, but that will be also painful. If you don't go for a pain now, you may have to go for a pain later. Maybe it will leads to, because of your lifestyle and because of your the current fitness levels, you may get into a lifestyle disorders. That lifestyle disorders will make you to spend lots and lots of time in future in hospital and medication and all that. That's also painful. Is it a fun to just to take a medicines and be happy? No. At the end, what exactly you need when you say fitness? What exactly you need? You need to eat a food with a proper nutrition, and you need to fix your activity levels. That's it. No one can give you a best plan. You need to see, you think about the overall your lifestyle and try to inculcate these two things: fix your nutrition, fix your activity levels. That's it. If you fix that, hopefully it will help you to be fit, and also it will help you not fall into lifestyle disorders. That's it, guys. So hope it makes sense. So take out a time, find out why fitness is important to you, and set a priority, and you will definitely find the time for a fitness. That's all for this video, guys. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and if you have any doubts, you can comment on the comment section, and please share this video with your friends and family, and please help me in sharing the right knowledge. That's all, guys. Arvind signing off. I'll be back with one more new video. Till then, bye bye. See you.